Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 16 seed Charlemont High from St. Catherine up against the number 49 seed Edwin Allen High from Clarendon. This is the 50th anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Charlemont High is represented today by Brandon Buckley. Team captain Tawana Spalding. Chloe Anderson. And Ashley Findlay. And Edwin Allen High is represented by team captain Sashanique Evans. Aldine Willisey. Teresa Faulkner. And Janelle Thomas. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the fourth match here in round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Charlemont High won and decided to bat first. So we begin with Charlemont High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please may I have that time on the clock. Charlemont High, Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Joshua?
Judges.
Judges.
That's right, Bible knowledge for Edwin Allen. Which book of the Bible comes between Exodus and Numbers?
Leviticus.
That's correct. Local affairs, a visual clue for Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Colonel Charles Sr.
Colonel Charles Sr.
Speaker of the House, correct. Local affairs for Edwin Allen. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Nigel Clark.
Minister of Finance, very good. Biology for Charlemont. What is the name of the area of the human eye responsible for sharp central vision, which is important for activities such as reading and driving?
Lens.
Incorrect. Fovea centralis or fovea macula. Biology for Edwin Allen. What is the name of the paired nerve that transmits visual information from the retina to the brain?
Optic nerve.
Correct. Or cranial nerve too. Music and audio clue for Charlemont. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
Looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame.
You're mine.
You're mine.
Incorrect. That Let Me Love You. Music for Edwin Allen. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
Really had me going, but now it's time to go.
Too late to say sorry.
Incorrect. Take a Bow by Rihanna. English language for Charlemont. Her house was a cave is an example of what type of literary device?
Metaphor.
That's right. English language for Edwin Allen. Death wandered the battlefield is an example of what type of literary device?
Personification.
Very good. Theatre and cinema, a visual clue for Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Christopher.
Christopher.
Comedian, correct. Theatre and cinema for Edwin Allen. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Come on.
That's right. General knowledge for Charlemont. When mixed together, which two colors create brown?
Red and orange.
Incorrect. Red and green. General knowledge for Edwin Allen. If you mix red and yellow, what color do you get?
Orange.
That's right. Geography for Charlemont. Which sea separates the continents of North America and Asia?
Mediterranean Sea.
Mediterranean Sea.
Incorrect. The Bering Sea. Geography for Edwin Allen. Which ocean separates the Old World from the New World and extends between Eurasia and Africa to the east and the Americas to the west?
Atlantic.
That's correct. Sport a visual for Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Jason Holder.
West Indies cricketer, that's right. Visual for Edwin Allen. Sport, look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Andre Russell.
That's correct. Chemistry for Charlemont. What is the general name for a substance made by melting together two or more elements, at least one of which must be a metal?
Metalloid.
Incorrect. Alloy. Chemistry for Edwin Allen. What is the name of the chemical species that can accept protons or produce hydroxide ions when dissolved in water?
Alkynes.
Incorrect. Base. Mathematics for Charlemont. What are the factors of x squared minus 2x minus 99?
Minus plus. That's x is x minus 11 to x minus 9.
No, that's incorrect. X plus 9 into x minus 11. Mathematics for Edwin Allen. What are the factors of x squared minus 12x plus 32?
So that's x plus 6 and x minus 7.
That is not what I have. X minus 8 into x minus 4. And that bell signals the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Charlemont High on 5 points, Edwin Allen High just ahead on 8 points. It's time now for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Music. The question is, which Jamaican artist recorded the song Not an Easy Road? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz 50 returns after these messages.